So I'm not sure how long the battery is going to last, but say hello to my new camera. It's a Lumix F38, FC38. Yeah, I like it. And that's probably all the way zoomed in, isn't it? With an 18 times optical zoom, that's probably going to be very close into my eyebrow, isn't it? So maybe there'll be a big difference when I'm editing the footage that shows quality, but we'll see. So I'm going to be very close into my eyebrow. Come on. Come on. Hey, puppy.